We've all heard of climate change, rising seas, melting glaciers. But what if I told you, humanity has done something even more shocking? We have moved the axis of the Earth. Yes, our planet's axis, the invisible line around which it spins, has shifted. And one major reason is our relentless extraction of groundwater. On 3rd May 2025, the Times of India reported a jaw-dropping headline stating that groundwater extraction moved Earth's axis. Tube wells changed the planet. Yes, groundwater extraction is shifting Earth's axis. This is a wake-up call for India. Our channel Mission Viksit India presents innovative ideas in every video, with the aim of making India a fully developed nation by the year 2047. Today's video too will explore ideas for restoring Earth axis. We request you to watch the video till the very end and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Dear brothers and sisters, our planet Earth's axis movement is satellite-confirmed reality, backed by data from NASA's GRACE satellite mission. Between 1993 and 2010 alone, over 2,150 gigatons of groundwater was pumped out globally, much of it from India, China, and the Middle East. When groundwater is removed faster than it can be replenished, the Earth's mass redistributes unevenly, altering its rotational axis by nearly 4.36 centimeters per year. It's not just a geological anomaly, it's a climate, water, agriculture, and civilization-level emergency. So what's India's role in this emergency? India is actually the world's largest user of groundwater, consuming nearly 1/4 of the global total. With more than 30 million tube wells, farmers in states like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra have been pulling out water from 200 to 300 feet below ground, year after year. Why is this happening? Well, it's because of a few reasons. First, water-hungry crops like rice and sugarcane are being grown in regions that are already short on water. Second, free or subsidized electricity for pumps makes it easy to keep extracting water. Third, there's no real regulation on borewell drilling. And fourth, there's a lack of water literacy and long-term planning. All this has led to some pretty serious results. 60% of Indian districts are now critically overexploiting their aquifers. Rivers like the Yamuna and Sabarmati have stopped flowing naturally, and believe it or not, the Earth itself has started shifting beneath our feet. So, what are the consequences? Groundwater depletion isn't just a water crisis, it's also a threat to our food security. It amplifies climate problems, it can disrupt tectonic activity, and it's even a geopolitical risk. When the Earth's axis shifts, it can change seasonal cycles, rainfall patterns, and even affect how predictable the monsoon is. India could face a decline in rice and wheat yields, more crop failures and rural distress, greater urban water conflicts and economic shocks in states that depend heavily on agriculture. So, what should India do right now? This isn't just a problem for the next generation, it's something we all have to face here and now. And solutions do exist if we act urgently and wisely. First, we need to ban deep tube wells in overexploited zones, no drilling beyond 150 feet, and real-time aquifer monitoring using satellites and IoT sensors. Second, make rainwater harvesting mandatory. Urban buildings, rural homes and farms must harvest every drop, and recharge wells and soak pits should be part of every building code. Third, shift to AI-based precision irrigation, using drip and sprinkler systems linked with soil moisture sensors, so we irrigate only when needed and only as much as required. Fourth, redesign cropping patterns, replace water-guzzling crops in dry zones, and promote millets, pulses, oilseeds, and drought-resistant crops. Fifth, launch India's national water credit system, where farmers can earn credits for saving water, and trade those credits for incentives, tools, or subsidies. Sixth, introduce a groundwater budget in every panchayat, using rainfall data, soil type, and cropping patterns to issue seasonal groundwater usage limits. And seventh, educate and empower citizens. Water literacy should be taught in schools, and community water management groups must be trained with digital tools. Let's take a moment to imagine a future, Smart Water India in 2047. Picture a smart water grid for the country where AI tracks rainfall, aquifer health, and water use in real time. Imagine bore wells equipped with auto-shut sensors and every farmer able to see their groundwater balance on their phone, just like checking a bank app. Let India become the very first country in the world to reverse the Earth's axial shift through sustainable water intelligence. We moved the Earth. Now, honestly, we must move ourselves to act. From tube wells that tilted the planet to technology that helps rebalance it, India must lead the world into the next era of a water-conscious civilization. Indian bureaucrats and the entire government machinery must work immediately and with utmost care and honesty to save the future of their children and grandchildren from natural disasters or a water-scarce India. The goal of Channel Mission Viksit India is to encourage school and college students in India, as well as scientists involved in research and development, to reflect on some other revolutionary and innovative idea, and if possible, to bring it to the table of research and innovation and develop it into a new invention to restore Earth's axis. If you found this idea meaningful and inspiring, please like, share and subscribe to Mission Viksit India, where imagination meets innovation. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.